Hello again, some very wet weather around, especially for England and Wales through the rest of Friday. But after a wet start for Scotland and Northern Ireland, well, we replaced the persistent rain with showers. Everywhere will be windy, tightening isobars as this area of low pressure moves in, and much of the country starts Friday with a warm sector, this slice of Atlantic humid air, and that means with a driving wind from the southwest, a lot of the moisture is being dumped over Western Hills, England, Wales, particularly wet there with the brighter colours there across South Wales, the Mendips, Dartmoor, Exmoor in particular. So some very heavy rain around, persistent rainfall through the afternoon as well. Rainfall reaching the east of England in dribs and drabs through the afternoon, but it clears Scotland and Northern Ireland to be replaced by a few showers, but it's also drier and brighter weather. The winds reaching gale force around exposed coasts of the west and for a time the south, but out of the wind. In any breaks in the cloud, temperatures just managing to get to 20 degrees or so. Not a great afternoon or early evening for travel though. Busy on the roads and all of this wet weather to contend with as well across Wales and the bulk of England through the busiest part of the day. A yellow warning in force because of the potential for a lot of standing water on the main roads. But overnight, the rain does become confined to the southeast of England. Meanwhile, brighter skies, or at least clear spells coming through, and some heavy showers crossing Scotland for a time. Otherwise, at least a break in the rainfall. And temperatures not falling very far overnight. It's a relatively mild one. A clear start to the day for parts of England and Wales, some sunshine out there, and actually there'll be a lot of dry weather around on Saturday, especially for parts of England and Wales, but the showers do develop once again for southern parts of England, South Wales in particular. Further north it's even more showery for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and you can see these big clumps of showers coming in to give more persistent rain for western Scotland later in the day, along with a strengthening wind reaching gale force around western coasts of Scotland. So it's going to be feeling cool in that wind, but temperatures not far from average for the time of year. We're looking at high teens or low 20s. Clouding over in the south towards the end of Saturday. That will help to kill off some of the showers. So for much of southern Scotland, as well as England and Wales, it's a drier evening to come for Saturday, but some outbreaks of rain do then extend into southern parts of England into Saturday night. Meanwhile, a gap in the cloud across central parts of Britain, whilst further wind and rain return into the northwest. That's all from me, but of course you could stay up to date with the weather forecast where you are via the Met Office app and by following us on social media. Bye-bye.